Today we are going to be taking a look at word problems episode E. The first thing I'm going to do is read the problem and highlight important information. On Thursday, the Meat King Market sold 210 pounds of ground beef. So on Thursday, there was 210 pounds. On Friday, they sold twice that amount. On Saturday, they sold 130 pounds. How much more meat did they sell on Friday than Saturday? Okay, after going through, I highlighted the important information. So I know they sold a certain amount Thursday, they sold twice that amount Friday, and I know exactly how much they sold on Saturday, 130 pounds. So the first thing I'm going to do is set up some tape diagrams to show how much was sold for each day. So I'm going to do TH for Thursday, FRI for Friday, and SAT for Saturday. All right, so on Thursday, I highlighted in yellow that the Meat King Market sold 210 pounds. So Thursday, we know they had 210. On Friday, they sold twice that amount. So on Friday, we had 210, and then we had 210 again because they sold twice as much as on Thursday. So I can either do 210 plus 210, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, or I could have done 210 times 2. First I would have done 2 times 0 is 0, then 2 times 1, which is 2, then 2 times 2, which is 4. Either way, on Friday, they sold 420 pounds. Finally, on Saturday, which I highlighted in blue, they only sold 130 pounds. All right, so now I know how much they sold each day. On Saturday, it was 130. On Friday, it was 420. And on Thursday, it was 210, but that only mattered to help us figure out how much they sold on Friday. So the actual question we're going to be answering is, how much more meat did they sell on Friday than Saturday? So how much more? Those words give me a clue of what type of math I'm going to be doing. If I'm looking at how much more I sold on Saturday than on Friday, I know I'm going to be looking for the difference between Friday and Saturday. Whenever I'm looking for a difference, that means subtraction. I want to use the pen, not the highlighter. So that means subtraction. So I'm going to start with what I sold on Friday. On Friday, they sold 420 pounds. And I'm looking for how much more that is than Saturday. On Saturday, it was 130. So to find the difference between 420 and 130, I need to subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 3, I can't do that, so I need to borrow. 12 minus 3 is 9. And 3 minus 1 is 2. So the answer is that they sold 290 pounds. But I don't want to just leave it as that type of answer. I don't want to just put a number because we were talking about answer sentences. So, Meat King Market sold 290 pounds more on Friday than Saturday. Oops. All right, so that looks good. We know that Meat King Market sold 290 pounds more on Friday than Saturday. If you have any questions, please send me a message on Google Voice or Class Dojo or in Seesaw, really. Hope this made sense. Have fun doing your math.